To find the strongest levels of support and resistance in all of the charts, I will be using an exponential moving average with a setting of 200, also known as the EMA 200. So here we go. Here where it says indicators, you will find your EMA. So type in the abbreviation EMA, and here it is, moving average exponential. Click on it. And now it's going to show right here on the top left of your chart. Next, you're going to change the settings to length of 200. Perfect. Now we see it, right? It's down here. So notice how that level in the 1 hour chart has served as a strong support that has continued to push price action up, probably looking to touch this previous week high. All right. Now move to your monthly chart. Let's move back. And EMA is not showing here, so let's move in closer to the weekly chart. And there it is. The EMA 200 right there. All right, so we're gonna draw a horizontal line. I like to use orange for that one. And notice how this level right here also served as a strong resistance that bounced price all the way down to where it is right now, ranging. All right, let's continue down to the day chart. And our EMA is down here, very far away from the price right now. Moving closer to the 8 hour. And it is right here. I'm going to use dark gray for this one. I like to use different colors for each one. Alright, moving closer to the 4 hour. It's going to be right here. I'm going to color this one purple. And also notice how here this EMA also served as a strong support to push things up, right? Closer to the 2 hour chart. There it is. A lot of EMAs coming together in that area. Alright, the 1 hour, yeah, definitely everything pushing up from there. And I'm gonna color this one blue. Let's move in closer to the 30-minute right there, and I'm gonna color this one light gray. Moving closer to the 15-minute, color this one gold. Next to the 5-minute, right there, this one will be aqua blue. And finally, all the way down to the 1-minute chart, right here. Excellent. Now we have the most important levels of support and resistance identified. Let's move back to the 4 hour chart to see everything better. Alright, so from what I see, price action is currently ranging in this area, a little bit stuck, trying to figure out whether it's going to move up or down. From what we saw, it seems to be pushing up, trying to break that previous week high. So next, we're going to look at candlestick patterns to identify the momentum of the trend.